Well, since the last time we met, I did the rallies with the tires. We now got matching tires all around. That was really driving me mad. The other thing I did was, this guy here was cracked. We replaced that. And we got the bezels on. But we got another problem. You see that? The gas gauge is stuck on full. It's believed we got a bad sending unit, which is located in the gas tank. The sending unit, well, the sending unit looks like that. This sits like that in the gas tank. The gas tank is behind the plate. Under the car. Part of the problem is, how do I know how much gas is in there? Oh, that's full. We got some hoses to disconnect. We got the gas line and I guess 2 vapor lines. Three hoses disconnected. There. We got one more down there. There was 4 lines connected. Harbor Freight Dolly, 19 bucks. This guy here is why we're here. Look at that. That's a ton of schmutz there, huh? We're gonna get some of this gas out also. We're a little on the full side there. You know, in my defense, I didn't have a gas gauge. I did just fill it up, but on the same hand, I did drive it. And these cars were supposed to get like 10 miles a gallon. Did you have time to go check out my website, halftimerazors.com? Perfect head and body shaving razor. That's in. New ground. We gotta change out these. Look at that. Oh, that's due. Well, we had some hose lines leaking. I got hose. Lines replaced. So when you see an old car and it's got low miles on it and it's been sitting for 30 years, this is the stuff you got to watch out for. These lines, even though the car has low mileage, it's still 30 years old. It's still sat. If you're going to go this far as taking out the gas tank, you might as well check for everything else as well. Now on this particular car, there's 4 other vent lines on this. They are nice and crusty. If you went this far, you might as well change them. A good ground's important when you're replacing the sending unit. See that right there? Good ground. New gas lines, and grounded. We got one more on the other side. All lines here replaced. All lines here replaced, and the ground screws on. That's it. That's the last hose. We got to get that on. Then we can check the fuel gauge works. That's it. That's in. Did anything we do accomplish anything? That's a win. Since I've had Judith, it's always been above. Let's see if we get off this incline, if she goes down anymore. It was a sending unit that was causing the gas gauge to not work. Right now we're between 3/4 and full. As usual, go check out my website, halftimerazors.com. Like, share, subscribe. Go check out my website. Tell bald people and body shavers about our products. That'd be great. halftimerazors.com. Later.